Testimony of gratitude.
Listen, this is my testimony. Let me tell you something. You see, if you come a foreign and decide to put on your track shoes, stay focused and humble and show gratitude. Not make nobody disencourage you. So when me decide to run off, the two local people, them when I go through them say, no, not go on a foreign, better you go on back home. People look for me now. I privately may fly, private jet me fly up in a here and there every minute. See me there. And I plane me there, me a master God alone. But you know what? I was very humble because I remember when I just got here, me get to work to take care of 6 old women and the woman that pay me $350. And I stay upon it, you see, and I show gratitude. And I stay there and I learn everything in the healthcare industry. That time, me never know say you have to have all RN license to go give people injection and them something there. And I stay the little assisted living there and I turn one piece of nurse on it. Remember now, me never have no papers. But I was so humble. I mean, never complain about the $350 what the woman I give me right now. There is nothing in the health industry that I don't know. Stay focused, my people. And if you plan to run off, link me. You understand? I'm tell you something. Apple still there, can't bite off. And I've been through it. Don't make nobody disencourage you because enough of them are going to tell us say nothing not go on. Why you not going back home? The people them did tell me say nothing not go on. I run them, did run off and get themselves started out, you know. But them never show me the road. You them never show me the road and never show me which track for go on. But I find my way because I was very smart. And let me tell you something. The number one thing, be humble. Humble. And show gratitude. Remember the word, the humble peace of love. You can't go wrong. Yes, when somebody love you, yes, when you book up all power, some people and I work for them and them love you, as far you can go. I get enough things out of me because of my attitude. You understand? Show gratitude. You understand what we see there? Up in the sky, me right about now, I eat oxtail. The people them give me them good knife and fork. And pity them no know, say the butter in me, say the spoon there because the spoon take up all heap. You don't know what me I talk about. Listen to me. Stay humble. If me can be up in the sky, anybody can up there because people, when I run up the way me walk in a foreign or water bomb take my foot sometime because you know when you not paper how it go. And life was good. But see me now, oh look there. I can't believe, see me when my woman at 2 house my own. So no leave me talk about it because when me did there, which part no come at the door when you me did there one house when you come at the door and say Christine, you hear Christine it a echo, not never in it. But you see me wrap up my little thread bag, work my money and build myself. Give thanks to the person that helped me in America every day. I never ever show ungratefulness. You say gratitude. You remember me tell you about that word there. Show gratitude, love, peace. Goes that far away. But let's suppose say me come tell you the rest of the story because me tell you say mama, I go treat you now. You see all in the man department, don't even bother go there so because when the man decides say him not help me because me go Lord Jesus, me can't bother go there so now people them big plane, yeah. Later.